Good morning everyone. This is David June 101. If you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and like, share it with your friends, okay? And click the notification bell so that you will be notified for our new video. If you are new in my channel, I will give you a 5 seconds challenge in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. To subscribe my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Click the notification bell so that you will be notified for our new topic. Don't forget to like and share to your friends. So today we are going to learn how to add caption in our movie maker. Are you ready now? Okay, so this is our movie maker, if you can see. So this time I will teach you how to add caption. How not only how to add caption, how to add caption, two caption or more in one picture. So to start with, we will go to our add photos, click. Of course, we will go to our files. So we will go to our document and we will go to our folder. Click your folder. We will choose one picture. For example, this one, Ayutthaya. Click. So if you can see, we have our pictures now. Now, here in the home button, home, you can have your title. You can have also your caption and credit. Title will be the first. When you click title, it will add on one slide in your document. Okay, the title is here. Okay, and also when you click at the last and you add credit, it will add also credit. Credit will be who created this video, or maybe you use some website, so you add in the credit section. So for now, okay, I will not add any credit or any title for our video. All I need to teach you is how to add caption on this picture. So if you can see, I will expand. If you can see, when you double click this picture, the duration of this picture will run to 7 seconds. That is the standard in our movie maker. So if you want to increase the number of this, you can have. If you want to run this one to 30 seconds, 10 seconds, 20 seconds, you can do it. So for our illustration this morning, we will change this one to 10 seconds. So meaning to say, our video or our picture will run in 10 seconds. You can see it here, it's 10 seconds. You can see it will run in about 10 seconds. Okay, so usually the video will run in 7 seconds, but you can adjust and customize the duration of your picture. So in this case, we will now add caption. Usually when we add caption, we will go to home and add caption. The caption that we are going to write will run for about 10 seconds also, because our pictures is 10 seconds. So what I'm going to do today is I will do halfway of the caption so that I can add two captions on it. So first, for example, this place, I will write, okay, the topic. For example, I will write the topic first. So this one is the topic. Of course, you can adjust the font style. You can change the font style. You can increase the size. Okay, you can increase the size randomly. Okay, you can increase the size, and also you can change the color. And not only the color, also you can change the outline. You can see the outline here, outline. So you can have your outline and the color also of your outline. So that's it. So for example, I will use color brown for my topic. Okay, so that's it. That's my title. So this title will run 10 seconds also, but I want this one, the topic, to run for about 4 seconds. So you can see it cut to 4 seconds. You understand? So this is now 4 seconds. So all you need to do is to click and then adjust the text duration to 4 seconds. After that, you can now add animation effects to your text. For example, this animation effects, like that. And then after you add the animation effects, you can try so that it looks like when you add the animation. Now, after it runs with 4 seconds, I will add another caption to this one. Okay, so for example, I will add another caption here. I will add another caption like that, and I will put this one to be the description. Description. So it's up to you if you add another description on it. Okay, description. Sorry, description. Okay, so for example, you have a lot of description, one sentence or 2 sentences, you can add it. Okay, for example, I only write description randomly na. Okay, I only write description, so you can add description on it. Okay, so like that, I only add description. For example, I have 2 sentences to add-ons, so like that. So if you can see, when you run the topic, the title, okay, and then it will go to the description. So of course, the description, you can also adjust the color. Okay, adjust the size if you want to adjust the size, the text, the font style. You can also adjust the font style. Okay, you can adjust the font style, the font that you like to do it, and then also the outline if you want to have the outline on it. So that's it. So you have your text and you have also your outline for your layout. So if you can see, you have your description already and you have also your topic. So when you run your picture, it will goes like this: topic, then the name, and then the description. So this time you can add 2 caption in one picture. So you just customize the duration, and also you just customize your text and your animation. So if you want to add animation for your text, you can do it, no problem. So you can add, for example, if you want to add animation, so you can just add animation to this topic. Okay, so that's it. So hope you learned something in our tutorial this morning. If you are not yet a subscriber, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, this is Davy Jun 101. Thank you for listening and watching, and like and share to my channel. Thank you very much. See you again next time.